So we're making a sandwich. If you have a big family, you can make like this. So you need the buns, you cut into two, put some butter spread on top, and then add some mayonnaise. Then after that you can add some cheese if you like, and you can use the sliced cheese or the unsliced, and you can slice it yourself to your taste or the size that you like, and you just spread evenly. So if you have a big family, this is the easiest way to do. Or if you like to make many pieces that you can use for several days for your break time snacks, so you can make it this way. And once you're done with the cheese, then you can put some ham of your choice. So we're using smoked ham. So you don't have to worry about the big pieces, you just put on top. Then you can add some salami if you like. That's really a lot. Then after that you can slice some tomato or cucumber. This time we're using just the tomato. And you can add some spiced salt or aromiswala. And then you cover it. Press it a little bit so that it's not sliding, and transfer into a chopping board and slice them into pieces, small pieces, and you can see you instantly get 9 sandwiches that you can pack for your snacks at work or picnic or wherever. That looks very yummy. And it was actually tasty. Thank you.